Now, data today is a very, very valuable set that we should leverage on at any given point of time by being as personal as we can. So we told Ben & Jerry's, what if we could drive traffic offline and collect important data of the user while they interact with your brand and give them samples depending on their choice. Now, data today is a very, very valuable set that we should leverage on at any given point of time by being as personal as we can. So how this campaign started and the results, I'm going to walk you through it. So first, the users engaged with the post on Facebook, Instagram, and even an Instagram story. Now, I'm assuming I saw this on Instagram, I swiped up, and immediately I got a message from Ben & Jerry's. The first, it welcomed me with the guy saying, "Yay, good to have you here." Walked me through the new ice cream pint slices that were very, very new in the market, and they wanted to get adoption. At the end of the journey, I was given a QR code, which I had to take and go to the vending machine at Bugis a week later. Now, this created that sense of urgency. They had just 5,000 samples, and they ended up giving 13,000, collecting 13,000 important data sets from people, which then they ran a feedback loop of how the ice cream was to make it a global product. And today, we serve Unilever across 30 brands doing the same thing over and over again, and people do tend to reply at every message. At this moment, the conversion rate to every message sent is 80%, compared to email is just 1%. Hence, I urge you to really look at how you can automate your interactions on social media, keeping your users engaged then and there. Don't navigate them off until it's needed.